Well, it stopped snowing. It's 7:30 in the morning. Ooh, look at it. Ooh. Beautiful. This is my backyard. Wow. Okay, let's go look out the front door. I'm gonna measure this and see exactly how many inches we had. Like I said, this is Eastern Long Island. Ooh. I gotta do my trees. You see them hanging? I gotta get out here and smack all that snow off. Now let me see. I'm trying to get the measuring tape up. Let's go over here and stick that down. Ooh. Okay. I'm reading in the front 6 inches. Oh, I gotta get that snow right off my trees. I think it's more than 6 inches. Hold on. I'm gonna go now to the backyard. Hold on. Don't mind my house. I'm still making Christmas cookies and gifts for people. Uh-oh. Hold on. Okay, let's go out here. This is the side door. I want to measure it on that table. But out here, let's see. Come on, tape measure. Okay, out here it's measuring 6 inches. And, oh, let me turn it off. Woo. Seems to be 6-7 inches. Here we go. Yep. Beautiful. Beautiful.